Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, create a recovery USB and disconnect peripherals to remove external driver conflicts. Once done, boot to safe mode or Windows recovery environment using Shift plus Restart so you can work without the normal GUI. Make sure to note account credentials and have a second device for reference. You'll begin with non-destructive checks so you preserve files while isolating the update display issue. This reduces variables and speeds diagnosis before running repairs or service restarts. You'll now run system integrity tools. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to fix corrupted files, then dism to repair the component store. Once those finish, stop Windows Update Services and rename Software Distribution and Catroot 2. This forces fresh update metadata. Make sure to restart services in sequence. If the blank screen persists, inspect the GPU driver in Device Manager and install the manufacturer's driver from your recovery USB you finish by rebooting normally and allowing Windows to reapply updates. This completes any pending operations after repairs. If the blank screen remains, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point, or choose Reset Windows while keeping files as a final, controlled recovery. Make sure to try a safe mode plus clean boot to isolate third-party software. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether an app or service caused the update display failure and avoids unnecessary reinstalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.